Hello everyone, this is Chetan Singhal. Welcome to my channel Stat Shine, where knowledge shines to make you shine. In my earlier videos, I have talked about IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics exam, that what's the syllabus for that, what's the pattern of the paper, how to prepare for it, books and references, tips and suggestions, etc. So if you have not checked out those videos, so please check out the link below. So today we have Sujit Pradhan with us. He has done BTech in Civil Engineering from IIT Kharagpur and has completed his Masters from IIT Bombay in Applied Statistics and Informatics. So welcome, Sujit.
Yeah, hi Chetan.
So let's get started. So how do you came to know about JAM? And what was the motivation for pursuing it, right? So you were from a different domain, we can say like BTech, and statistics is altogether a different domain. So how do you came to know about IIT JAM and what was your motivation?
Oh, actually, I did my graduation in civil engineering from IIT Kharagpur. From there, I got placed at CRISIL Limited, which is a leading finance company. So once at CRISIL, I came to know about IIT JAM and that we can get admission into statistics or applied statistics and informatics at IIT Bombay by clearing IIT JAM. Okay, there actually I have love for number from my childhood. So when I cleared IIT JEE in 2012, I had option to choose mathematics at IIT Kharagpur, but instead I chose civil engineering as I had no knowledge about the future prospects and all that. So once at IIT Kharagpur, so I was good in civil engineering, but I still had some guilt that I didn't choose what what I have passion in. So that is mathematics or statistics. But once I got posted at CRISIL Limited, so I got the chance to reconsider the decision, and therefore I wanted to pursue MSc in the field which I like a lot. So I tried to pursue MSc in Applied Statistics and Informatics, and for that I'll have to clear that IIT JAM. I prepared for that around 4-5 months, but first couple of months were about gathering more information about IIT JAM, because I had knowledge about IIT JEE. IIT JAM is quite different from that. The pattern, the syllabus, and many other aspects. So initial couple of months I researched about IIT JAM. Then after my office hours, I studied for nearly 3-4 hours daily for next 2-3 months before IIT JAM 2018, which was held in February 2018. So basically, in the last 1 month, I completed most of the syllabus and revision. That would be like 70% of what I studied in the previous 1 or 2 months. And
Okay.
finally, I cracked the IIT JAM exam and secured 32nd rank and got admission into IIT Bombay.
Yeah, great. So the time duration, if we see for your preparation, is quite less as compared to other students, because I've seen usually like students devote around an year for the preparation of IIT JAM, right? Because as your graduation is from IIT Kharagpur, it says itself, right? So good to know. So moving ahead, what basic questions did you have in your mind at that time when you start preparing for JAM? Right, there are a lot of questions in one's mind, that what's the pattern of the paper, what are the cutoff marks, what are the books and references, what's the syllabus, and all these questions, right? So how did you resolve them? Like how did you able to get the answers for these questions?
So I was already having a job during that time. So my aim was to just try. So I have nothing to lose if I do not clear the exam. So so the fear factor was not there. And about the cutoff and that books required, uh, I searched in the Google. Also, I learned a lot from Quora, which I refer to in most of the cases. Even now, I refer to the answers in Quora to get the required customized solutions as per my understanding. Okay, and about the cutoff, I knew that I'll have to get 60 marks. Then I will definitely get into IIT Bombay, 55 to 60. Okay, so I targeted for 5 more marks, that is 65. And mathematical statistics paper consists 40% of mathematics and 60% of statistics. So I was good in mathematics. So calculus, metrics, all those stuffs we studied in engineering as well. So I was confident that I would be getting more than 30 out of 40 in mathematics part. And in the mathematical statistics part, out of 60, 30 marks, which is 50%, is gettable. That's how I thought that, okay, there is a lot of chance to crack it. And I so once I knew all these things, and I got 10-15 books from online. So I still have the soft copies of those. So I read the chapters which are in the syllabus, only the chapters and portions which are in the syllabus, and practiced the relevant questions. And I think it helped me a lot in gaining more knowledge in a short span of time because of practice, as well as covering the theory. So I cover the theory during the day, and in the evening I would practice 10 or 5 to 10 questions on that. So since I did not have much time, but this this technique helped me to uh, uh, get into the line in a very short span of time, I would say.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
and finally I got around 57 and 57 marks and 32nd rank, and got into IIT Bombay, which was my dream.
So moving ahead, what are some tips and suggestions that you would like to give to the students, and especially for the BTech students that are trying to get into IIT JAM?
Okay, so a student completing BTech can easily clear JAM exam. There were 3 students in my batch who had done BTech during their graduation, and who were pursuing MSc in applied statistics and informatics. So it is not a one-time affair. It can be done. Since there were 3 among 30 students, it is totally possible that you can also get into IIT Bombay to pursue applied statistics and informatics. The thing it's the main things that are required are you should have devotion, you should have passion in statistics. That I love statistics, and you should dedicate sufficient time in that. Okay, so as per your knowledge and your grasping power, you should take around 4 to 5 days, and I should suggest that you should spend sufficient time. So 3 to 4 months should be spent, and that too seriously. That is not many people think that they study for 10 hours, but what matters is the effectiveness. So one person who studies for 1 hour can be more effective than one person who studies for 9 hours, but irregularly with breaks. So you should study for 3 4 hours, but you should not take any break. You should dedicate fully to your preparation during that time. At other times you can do the things you like, but during the time allocated for the preparation, you should totally focus on what you are doing.
So if we talk specific to IIT JAM mathematical statistics exam, so if we talk about your preparation, so what like previous year papers, if I talked about, so have they helped you? Like previous year papers for
Yes,
IIT
yes,
JAM
yes.
mathematical statistics exam. So any suggestions that how should we approach those papers you would like to give?
Okay, so for preparing for IIT JAM, I should suggest you to first read the syllabus. So whatever, read the theory portions of those. Then go to the previous year papers, last 5 to 6 year papers. Then solve them and see that where you stand. Okay, once you know that these are your weaknesses, these are your strength areas, then focus on your weaknesses. Means give more time on the topics which you are not strong enough, or which where you lack confidence. And the strong areas you can give lesser amount of time, but do not neglect it.
Yeah, exactly. Agreed. Because past
Okay.
papers are something that will help you to understand your level. Because that's the ultimate pattern of the paper that you need to clear. You need to
Yes, yes, yes.
get into IIT for that, right? So this is something you need to focus on. So it's something that hard work, along with hard work, some sort of smart work is also required. So the combination of both these things that one should have in their mind. So it's not something that you have to attempt 100% of the paper. You have to attempt a limited portion, and that you think that is easy to solvable, that's the topic that you're comfortable with. Try to attempt those first, uh, and uh, and don't panic if you are not able to get to one question, right? So just try it once, try it twice. If you're not able to get it, just move on, right? So it was great talking to you, Sijit. So hope the tips and suggestions and your experience might help the students who are preparing for IIT JAM mathematical statistics exam. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like the video, and keep shining. Thank you.